Hello, foodies. Are you having guests over? Are you organizing a lunch or dinner? So this recipe is a must try. First of all, we're going to make chapman. In my container, I added some Sprite, Fanta, and some grenadine. You can use old leaves, juice, sorry. You just need to soak the leaves in water and then use the juice. After that, I'm going to add some cucumber, orange, lemon, and lime slices, and then some lemon juice. You can either use the store-bought one or use freshly squeezed, whichever one you have, and then give that a good stir. After that, cover and allow it to infuse and it's ready. For the second mocktail, I'll be making the Blue Lagoon mocktail. In my container, I added some Sprite. I'll be adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice and the store-bought one. Yeah, some blue curacao syrup and then give that a good stir. Add some orange, lemon slices, some mint leaves and give that a good stir. And you're done, just like that. This is another new way to be, creative, have fun in the kitchen, and wow your guests. I had this, made this sorry during my birthday dinner, and of course, normally we'll always make some mocktails during any gathering in our house. So this is how you make your Chapman and Blue Lagoon mocktail, and I'll see you guys in my next video.